Welcome to Tidy Habits YouTube channel. In this video, we will show you 10 cleaning tips using wet wipes. Use wet wipes to quickly clean countertops, tables, and other surfaces. They're great for removing crumbs and spills. Gently wipe down remote controls, keyboards, and phone screens. Just ensure the wipes are safe for electronics to avoid damage. Keep a pack in the bathroom for quick cleanups of faucets, mirrors, and even the toilet seat. Use wet wipes to remove sticky labels or residue left behind by tape on various surfaces. Wipe down gym equipment after use, or freshen up your workout gear by giving them a quick once-over. Clean the dashboard, steering wheel, and other surfaces inside your car. They're great for tackling dust and grime. Use wet wipe to your pet's paws after walks or to clean up small messes. Quickly sanitize kids' toys and play areas, especially after playdates, to keep things germ-free. Wipe down the exterior of appliances like the microwave, fridge, and toaster to keep them looking clean. Carry wet wipes while traveling to clean airplane trays, hotel surfaces, or anything else that might need a quick tidy-up. Remember these cleaning tips and tricks that you can use someday. We know you'll love this video. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you will be notified on our next video.